Okay guys, so here in this video I'm going to share with you important things that you need to know about the Xiaomi multifunctional rice cooker, like the reasons why you shouldn't buy it, kind of like important things. So what is great about it, that you have like 8-to-1 cooking function. It can cook different type of rice, brown rice, congee, soup, steam, reheat and keep warm. It's just not a rice cooker. Also you can have like smart app control, 24-hour scheduling, 12-hour keep warm. So this is great that, let's say that you want to like schedule rice and it's going to do it in the morning. Like for me this will be, it's insane, right? In the morning, like in the evening you can like set it up for the schedule. You can have like a delay time and you have warm meal wherever you want, and add ingredients before heading out for work, and in the morning and dinner will be ready when you get home. So this is insane. This is insane. Smart temperature sensors prevent burning. Great for the Xiaomi ecosystem. Top mounted buttons for easy operation. So in this regard, the Xiaomi, like the multifunctional rice cooker, is like very good, primarily like when you need it for this. Now, but the cons, takes forever to cook rice. Okay, big one. It takes a minimum of like, let's say 1 hour to cook a rice and 1 hour 45 to cook brown rice. So for comparison, 20 basic rice cooker takes like 20 minutes. Now, for example, for me, when I make it like in a pan or whatever it's called, it takes me like, I don't know, like maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah, to cook rice. So something to be aware of. So therefore it just takes more electricity. Does it make sense? It can steam and cook rice at the same time. So it can steam food and cook rice at the same time. Other rice cookers or multi-cookers can do this. Another important thing. Also, rice can stick to the bottom if you're not quick. The first time cooking rice, open about 2 minutes after finishing, the rice was getting stuck to the bottom. Also, condensation lid issues. The container for condensation on lid is not very effective. And no menu temperature or time control for certain modes. And cooking notification is weak. There is no melody or pleasant beep when cooking finishes. And also remote start reliability issues, takes up counter space. That's another thing that is like, it's big, so that's what you can like actually expect from it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.